Okay, time to open up the book. You know how to open up the pages? Come on. Do you know how to open the pages? Think so. Go ahead. Get that page. Open it up. Come on. Okay, Lola, help. Lola can help. Whoops. Got it? What do you think? Hmm? Hmm? Barnyard Dance. Woohoo! Is that what the book is about? Cows and other farm animals doing a dance. Oh my goodness. Yeah, good job turning the page. Stomp your feet. Clap your hands. Everybody ready for a barnyard dance. Is that what it says? Yeah, that's what it says. Ah! Oh no! What happened to the book? Oh! Did you drop it? Oh no! Want a different book? Want a different book, Evan boy? Oh no! No barnyard dance? What would you like? Something else? Okay, choose another one. Choose a different one. Want to choose your own? Want to choose a different one? What do you want to choose? What do you want to choose? Who's got a big head? Who's got a very round big head? Okay, just let Lola know what you want to read.